message from one of our Christian brother by name Ephraim. I think he's a Catholic priest or whatsoever, whatever. In that his message, what I understand is that he is condemning anthill and moving the narrative or sending the wrong signal, the wrong narrative against anthill. In the sense that he said that so many destinies has been kept in anthill. There is a difference between spiritual imagination and the spiritual reality. When you talk about anthill in the negative light, you are operating on the spiritual imagination. For in spiritual reality, there is so many things that can be done in the anthill, including cleansing, including Iyuwa, including Ocho, including Ajuke, including Awele. There is so many positive. He said he saw sacrifices and he doesn't know whose sacrifice they are. In Igbo, until it's called Olaku. It's called Aku. It is used for a lot. Do you understand? If you are operating from somewhere like Ezewanyi and you are talking about Iyuwa, they will package your Iyuwa and take you to anthill with tubers of yam. There you shall strip naked and bathe, and they make prayer with certain things they will put in your hand, and that the Iyuwa stops disturbing you. Ephraim is not informed. Anthill is basically for positive prayer. You can send the judgment to anthill. A judgment. Ephraim is deceiving the general public about Igbo sacred places. Do you understand? What did I say? You can even write a letter to anthill. And when Ephraim is talking to you about your destiny being enchanted, he should tell you why your destiny was enchanted successfully. For there is offer for every spiritual work, without which everything is vanity, without Ephraim and the cohorts. Do you understand? If you are wrong, sir, if you are wrong, man, nobody needs anthill to deal with you. They need to send forth their word into the universe. So you step on the ground. So the ground can also be a weapon fashioned against you. Do you understand? The person you wronged can ask this ground to swallow you. Hello? This ground should swallow you. And this ground will open his mouth and swallow you. Ephraim is a liar. So he thought because anthill is there, that it is stagnant, and then he's selling to you spiritual imagination. If there are 100 things that are done in anthill, I am standing here today as a dibia or as a spiritualist, rather as a spiritualist with so many experience and a vast knowledge. I am telling you today that if there are 100 things done in anthill, 99 are for positive impact in human life. Ephraim should tell us who ties people's destiny in anthill. Me, I have over 45 DBIs I am working with. All 45 of them, at least 20 is online, and the 25 is offline. I never had before that anthill is a material dangerous for human consumption until the days of a false prophet of our time that deals on spiritual imagination. Do you know that anthill can be used to close a case? Do you know it can be used to shut down a case? It can be used to send you back to sender. Can you count it? Positivity from A to Z. So therefore, let no doubt in the name of a Christian sell to you who is ignorant of the truth that anthill is holding your destiny. Anthill from creation was not given the ability to even hold your destiny. Of course, you are wrong. Hello? The earlier you start realizing that for whatsoever enchantment I make against you to work against you, it means that you are wrong from your past life. This is what you deserve. You get out of life what you deserve. You get out of life what you deserve, the pain you deserve, the joy you deserve, the money you deserve, the money you work for. You maltreat people, and the pastor went to an anthill to prophesy that nothing that was done against you will prosper starting from today. Let me see it hold until you ask for forgiveness from people you maltreat. So you will lie on whether that one again no. Whether someone gagi, we burgi enobi, we na kwa to heavens, na kwa to earth. Now, what to powers that be? And one pastor is telling you now, Bodolugi, Mwangage be here, Bodolugi. Without adequate offer, no enchantment against you can stand. So, apart from ant hill, is there enchantment against you? Probably yes. Is there spiritual wickedness? Probably yes. Is there kinsmen after your life? Probably yes. But remember, there are people living in the village, and these kinsmen have not tied them all. So why you? It is simple. Take responsibility for all that happened to you in this life. Take responsibility for all that you do to people in this life, and have peace. You should always ask yourself, where did I go wrong? Yes, I know that Whoa, don't know Joab did something against me, but I want to know, where did I miss it? So that you don't spoil charm tire. I want you to spoil charm with evidence, right? So you get to ask, where did I wrong? And you look at yourself. Take your Bible and your paper and write your crime. Those are abominations. You gave someone money to terminate a P, to write it down. These are why enchantments work against you. It is because you are guilty. Not because there is imposter. Not because there is anthill somewhere. Anthill is designed to save. It has been used for positivity. Well, any family that has anthill should go and celebrate grace. For it is nothing but a positive energy from Okike. From Okike. Do you understand? From Okike. From Okike. That revealed itself to the Igbos. And the Igbos go there and they get that which they want. And as time goes on, they start going for different good things. For EU, for Uke, for Obanje, for this or for that. All for their own betterment. I am saying, hold me by my word. Hold me by my words. Anthill is designed for spiritual betterment. It has been used for the betterment of human race from time immemorial. And it cannot turn to bad now simply because some of our brothers who are ignorant, who are spiritual ignorance, simply because they say good is bad doesn't mean that good is bad, right? This is vitamin C, right? And what happens? This vitamin C is designed to provide you with a certain nutrient. So whether someone tells you that this is sand or this is wickedness, this is vitamin C. Whether an ignorant person who has no clue whatsoever about what vitamin C is, whether such a person feeds you nonchalant bullshit, remember I am telling you this is vitamin C. And it is for the betterment of human race only. Do you understand? And I close by saying, you deserve what you get out of life. Me too. You don't blame human race anymore. Do you understand? Don't allow these people put fear in you. Continue aligning, and then be those of answer. Take your own soul seriously. Take your own soul seriously. Do you understand? It is because of that thing, so that an enchantment was sent, and then it got to you. Do you understand? Forget that bullshit. That bullshit is no spiritual reality. Thank you. My name is Chuwa Ifechim Zulum. I am Dibiawai. Traditional Momejio. I am from Nkano. I am from Enugu State.